cars over there.
All right, let's race to the end. 1, 2, 3. What's up, Shifting Gears? It's Damien. We're out here again, me and JL, with a quick video. We just wanted to introduce ourselves to you. We work at Performance Georgesville. That's out on the southwest side of town, and we wanted to bring you something special. That's why we're doing this. This is meant so that we can get community engagement, so that we can reach out to you, answer questions, and so you can see who we are as people.
Hey y'all, my name is Justin Luna. Work here at Performance Georgesville with Damien. I've been doing this for about a year and a couple months. Can't be a luckier place to work. Great group of guys and absolute fun all day long. Decided to do some fun videos, throw some wackiness in there for you guys to see that we're just regular people out here trying to have some fun and film some videos, get some engagement. If you're looking for any vehicles, feel free to give either of us a call. Be happy to help you out. Join our community, see what other crazy stuff we're about to bring you.
So with that said, be sure to tune into our community. Make sure you like and share with your friends, because that's the only way we're going to grow. And again, we thank you for tuning in, and be looking in the future for stuff to be coming out from us, because we're going to be having a lot of fun here.
Be sure to subscribe, like, and share.